Okay, we're depositing 14 karat gold on aluminum oxide, and we're doing so with, let's see, fix that. Okay, we're depositing 14 karat gold on aluminum oxide at 45 millimeters a minute. A Z feed height of 0.125 millimeters. The rod is 0.6 millimeters in diameter, and we are spinning at 30,000 RPM on the dremel. What else is relevant? Well, I'm going to go ahead and capture some thermal video footage. There we go. The thermal footage is running. I'm going to capture some real color video footage. I'm going to go ahead and turn the dremel on, make contact, and go from there. Starting the file. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and turn the spindle off and turn the real footage off.